Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally T. I'm glad that you guys decided to join me once again today. Hey, welcome, welcome, and welcome. Okay, so today's video is actually going to be about this here head wrap. Yep, that's what we're going to do today. I think I'm going to show y'all. I get a lot of questions about how I wrap my hair up, how I do my scarves, what kind of scarves I use to wrap my hair. I get a lot of questions about that. So I said, hey, why not? Let's make a video about it. Let me help y'all out real quick. Okay? Y'all ready? All right. So if you're interested in this look, stay tuned. And I'm going to show y'all what I do. Okay? Okay, so this is how I'm starting off. Y'all forgive the ratchet. Forgive the ratchetness right now, okay? Because it's going to get better, I promise. Okay, so what I do first, I take my scarf. This is my scarf I have here. And it's kind of like just a long little turban scarf. You can use any scarf, y'all, I promise. You can use this scarf. You can use fabric. This is fabric from Walmart, you guys. This is a yard of fabric, okay? So I'm just going to show you guys 3 different ways you can do this. The first one, okay? Take your scarf like this. And you want to, see I have a bun. It's my little raggedy bun. It don't even gotta be cute, girl. It's just, okay? Raggedy little bun. And you just wanna take the scarf like this here. And I'm gonna show you the first way where I leave some of my bun out, okay? So, kind of pull my hair down. You got 2 ends, one here. Have this in the back. Let me show you the back of it. It's the back. Okay?
And you want to take it and cross these 2, right? And you kind of want to make sure that this is down a little bit. And then you want to make sure some of the front of your hair is out. So, oh, I gotta look in the mirror. Alright, so once you get that much in, my bun still kind of sticking out, you just want to wrap it. Wrap it. Crisscross it in the back. Crisscross. And then you want to bring both parts around. And you want to take this end here, right? And you want to tuck it. Just tuck it the best you can. Just tuck it at the top of where you're leaving your hair out. Tuck that. And then take this end and you want to do the same exact thing. Tuck it. Tuck it. Okay? Now that you have that all tucked and rolled, you just want to take this, make sure it's neat at least, okay? Because you don't want to be walking around with a little raggedy turban on. Okay, so I'm leaving some of that out. Can you see that at the top? Okay, so you want to take this and push this kind of back and bring the front forward.
Bam! And there you have it, y'all. Quick, easy, tied turban look. And if you want your little edge control, this is the edge control I use, the Shine and Jam. This is good stuff, y'all. It don't make your hair hard. It don't. Get your life. Shine and Jam. All right? All right. So you want to take just a little bit. Girl, slick them nabs. Slick them. Ain't gonna hurt nobody, just slick them. And it don't take all that. Get your little brush. Brush them. However you want them to fall, you know. Best of your ability, because honey, everybody naps ain't the same naps, you know. Make it you. Make it you. You are your own queen, okay? So, bam. That was quick, easy, simple, easy peasy breezy. It's a simple tuck and roll. Okay? Alright, bam, look at there. And you out the door. Alright, now let me show y'all the second look. And I'm gonna use just the Walmart fabric. We're gonna do the same exact thing. Take your fabric. I'm gonna put it over my bun this time. You don't wanna look like you got a towel on your head. You wanna look like you got a turban, girl. You wanna get your queen on. Okay? You don't wanna be looking like you're going to the beach and the towel is on your head. Yeah, no, you don't want to do that. All right, so now that you got that crisscross, see how the back looks? You're going to do the same exact thing, and you're going to tuck it. You look in the mirror. Find wherever you can tuck it at, and you're going to tuck your scarf. Just find somewhere to tuck it. All right, and the key to this look is keeping out some of the front of your hair. Okay? I think that's what kind of makes it, kind of brings the look together. When you leave out some of the front, you know? Show off some of your pretty hair, you know? All right, and that is look number 2. You can see. Look number 2. Y'all ready for look 3? 3? Look at that bun, just raggedy, girl, just raggedy. And I'm going to use, this is just a regular old, I think this is I guess it's a neck scarf, I don't know. It's just a long scarf. You can see it's probably about 1.5 yards maybe. And you're gonna do the same exact thing, except this time we're gonna give it a little extra little okay? All right. So we're gonna do this, and this time we're going to roll it. Hold on, let me cover my whole bun this time. Roll, 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 roll. And you're gonna go all the way around, bring this around to the back, and roll. Roll that thing, girl, work them wrists. Work them wrists. Work them. And you're gonna kind of bring it down to the back. You can see. Okay? And then you're gonna crisscross in the front while you keep rolling, because you want it to have that rolled, kind of fancy, smancy look. And you're gonna keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Work out them wrists, okay? Yeah. All right. And with these 2 here, now that you got them crisscross, with these 2, you want to roll, and you want to find somewhere in the back to tuck them. So you're gonna tuck them right here, and you're gonna tuck it within itself. There, just like that. Okay, and that is your 3rd look. And remember I said leave the front of that hair out, girl. Make you look cute right there. Bam, there you go. You guys remember, we are all queens. So find your own way. Just do your own thing. Do what works for you. Be the best you that you can be, because you're already enough. You're already a queen. Own it, baby. Own it. Own your queenshipness. That's it. Own your white, black, purple, green, orange. It don't matter what color you are. You are a queen. You are a king. So live in it, baby. Live in it. Live in it. Okay? So that's all I have for y'all today. I will see y'all in my next video.